Hi guys, Still Inspector here. So I've been seeing a lot of questions on subreddits asking how to mine Ethereum. People are asking how to get started, what programs to use, how to set it up properly. So today's video will be showing you the easiest way to mine Ethereum in 2021. I want to start this video with an explanation on the minimum hardware you need to mine. Firstly, if you bought a gaming PC, you probably have all the hardware you need, so you can skip this part of the video and go on to the software. Let's start off with the motherboard. Pretty much any motherboard will do, but I recommend one with at least 4 PCIe slots, as this gives you the option to add more graphics cards in the future if you want to mine more. I recommend the Asus Prime Z390p because it has 6 PCIe slots. You can get these for around $300. Secondly, RAM. You only need a minimum of 4GB of RAM, as mining doesn't rely much on RAM. The motherboard I recommended uses DDR4 RAM, and you can pick this up for around $30. Thirdly, the CPU. Pretty much any CPU will do as long as it's compatible with your motherboard. You should be fine, as mining isn't CPU intensive. The motherboard I recommended uses an Intel i7 Coffee Lake, which will set you back around $200. Lastly, the main piece of hardware, which is the GPU. Now there are two main manufacturers of GPUs. These are Nvidia and AMD. Ethereum can only be mined with graphic cards that have above 4GB of VRAM. For Nvidia, this would be the GTX 1060 and upwards. This includes the 16 series, 20 series and 30 series. For AMD cards, this would be the RX 580 and above. I'll list links to all the hardware in the description below, so you guys can go pick them up. Now we've gone over the hardware needed, let's hop into the software needed and how to set it up. Firstly, we're going to go to trexminer.com and download the Windows version. After that, we want to extract the files, and this will give us all the files that are basically different mining pools. So you can use this program to mine Ergo, Firo, Ravencoin and Ethereum. It also includes the LHR unlock for the 30 series Nvidia cards. So now we're going to close this and open up the extracted files. We'll be mining with 2 miners, so we'll be using this file right here. Next, you want to minimize that and go to a website called 2miners.com. This is what it should look like, and we're going to click on the Ethereum pool. So this displays all the blocks and the mining pool. Here we have the low ping destinations, so if you're in these countries, you'd have better connection to the server. Now scroll down and click Join Pool. This is where you can see the 3 servers that 2miners provide. So depending on where you are, these different servers will be used. So we have one in Europe, one in Asia, and one in the US. I'll show you how to select your server after we've got our wallet set up. So to set up the wallet, we want to go to binance.com and set up an account. Once you've done that, you click on Wallet, then click on the Fiat and Spot tab. Now you want to look for the row that shows the Nano wallet, and on the left side, click on Deposit. As you can see, there's a mining deposit of 0.0001 Nano, and that shouldn't be a problem when mining. Below that is your wallet address, which is where the mining profits will go to. Now you want to open up the T-Rex file and look for the 2miners Ethereum file. Right click and edit the file. A pop-up will show for Windows Defender, but all you have to do is click More Info and it will allow you to open it. So here's the file that actually mines the Ethereum. So now you want to go back to 2miners and copy whichever server you want to mine on. Then paste the server name over the pool.woolypooly.com 3500. So now you've inserted your server, you want to go back to Binance and copy your wallet address. Now paste the wallet address over the existing one, and at the end of the file you can name your rig to whatever you want. Once you've done that, click Save and open the T-Rex miner file again. Once here, find the 2miners file and click on Open. This will bring up the miner and show the GPU has been recognized, and after a couple of minutes you should display information about your GPUs. So here you can see various different things about your GPU, such as hash rate, temperature, power and efficiency. It will also show the amount of shares you've mined after you've started mining for a bit. Now you can use overclock settings to boost the hash rate, but I will go over that in another video. Right now I'm just going to shut this down before my GPUs overheat. Now the last thing to do is check your payouts and your stats, and you can do this by copying your wallet address and pasting it into the 2miners search bar at the top of the Ethereum pool. This will bring up everything you need to know, from current hash rates, total paid, how many workers you have, the share of your block profits, and all that good stuff. It also gives you a graph of your hash rate so you can see if your rig goes offline at any time during the last 6 hours, a week, or a month. If you click on shares, it will show you if you have any invalid or stale shares. The reward tab shows how much you've made over varying different times. The payout tab shows you how often you're getting paid, and you can change this in account settings. If you input your IP address of your worker, then you can select the minimum payout value. Right now it's at 0.0005 Ethereum. So once you've got this all set up, I recommend converting your Nano back into Ethereum on Binance to avoid the gas fees that Ethereum has, as they are very high at the moment. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Also, if you have any problems with the setup, feel free to comment below and I'll try my best to answer your questions.